Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from ThinkorSwim to Excel. First, open the ThinkorSwim desktop platform and give it a moment to fully load. Once the workspace appears, look toward the top of the window for the main navigation bar. You'll see tabs like Trade, Analyze, and Scan. The one we want is Monitor. This is where your positions, working orders, fills, and account activity live, which makes it the perfect place to pull a clean export for spreadsheets. Go ahead and click Monitor. With the Monitor tab active, shift your attention to the right side of the panel's header. You should see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu or hamburger icon. Click that icon to open additional options related to the data you're viewing. If you happen to see more than one 3-line icon on the screen, choose the one that sits on the header of the section you want to export. From the menu that appears, select Export to File. The wording may vary slightly, but it will clearly reference exporting. Choosing this option opens your system's standard Save dialog. Now browse to the folder where you want to store the export. Picking a consistent location, like a dedicated trading data folder in Documents or on your desktop, makes it much easier to find files later. If you're working on a shared computer, choose a private folder you can access reliably. On Windows, you'll see the familiar left-hand sidebar for quick locations. On macOS, you can use the sidebar Favorites to jump to your chosen folder. Next, enter a clear descriptive file name. A helpful convention is to include what the file contains and the date, such as Account Activity 2026.0324. Using hyphens or underscores avoids spacing issues and keeps files sorted neatly. Avoid special characters and try not to overwrite an older export unless you truly mean to replace it. When you're ready, click Save. ThinkorSwim will create the file in a spreadsheet-friendly format, typically CSV, which Excel opens cleanly. Depending on the amount of data, the export may take a moment. If the option was grayed out earlier, make sure the section you want is visible with data on screen and then try again. That's it. You opened ThinkorSwim, navigated to Monitor, used the 3-line menu, chose Export to File, browsed to a save location, named your file, and saved it. Your data is now organized and ready for analysis in Excel whenever you need it.